No matter where you look, it seems as if there's nothing but bad news with the housing market. So much so that many lenders are leaving the industry altogether. The mortgage process is a horrible, non-mobile experience stuck in technology and processes of the past. Who wants to deal with someone or wait for a bank to process your loan application when you can do almost everything these days on your phone? The solution is Bee. It's no secret that buying a house sucks. Banks keep rocketing out digital mortgage products they claim will simplify the mortgage experience, but the reality is that they're nothing more than a website to complete paperwork for the same outdated process.
Getting a mortgage is a headache. It involves endless back and forth with a loan officer and waiting an average of 44 days for closing. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a trusted validation protocol, blockchain, make this patent-pending process possible. Basically, Bee sources data from third parties about the book, so that they don't have the aggravation of finding and sending in documents. An AI extracts and reads this data, and a smart contract validates it, allowing Bee to make fast decisions and 3-minute pre-approvals, all without human involvement. An easy-to-use mortgage calculator with lender-grade data, Bee helps new home buyers identify their ideal monthly payment and purchase price.
It's not just home buyers downloading the app. Real estate agents love it too. With a team experienced in mobile app development, mortgage lending, and automation, we're just the ones to pull this off, and investors are excited.
This is no cold start. Since we launched a few years ago, we've raised almost $3.5 million, assembled an exceptional board of experts and advisors from finance and startups to advertising. We have over 1,000 passionate investors, and we've received our trademark for Bee in 2 different classes, mortgage lending and downloadable software. And most importantly, we've proven that the technology with AI and blockchain plus the awesome mobile user experience works.
So when I first decided that I wanted to buy a house, I had no idea where to start. And then I came across Bee, and I was able to apply for a pre-approval letter less than 10 minutes. I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to go grab any of my bank statements or my investment accounts, not a single piece of paper. And I had my pre-approval letter in my inbox.
They're easy to work with, refer my buyers to them, and they're instantly approved. And the process was just smooth. Communication is outstanding. Able to submit an offer quickly, win an offer, go through the process, and close in 30 days.
And seeing what he's been able to do as far as putting the team together and actually building the initial stages of the technology has been very impressive to date.
It's a lot. It's really important for Curtis because these guys from the very beginning have believed not only in Curtis's idea for Bee, but just believed in him and his work ethic.
I want to say, first of all, I thank you very much. And when I look at just the sheer number of people who have invested at any amount, it makes me feel very confident that we're going in the right direction, that we're doing the right things.
Join us in our journey to be the first direct lender with an end-to-end mobile mortgage experience. We're now raising so we can continue advertising, open more states, hire more LOs, and finish the last mile of product development. Thank you to everyone who has already supported us. And to those considering it, your support means the world to us. Let's make Bee a success story we can all be proud of.